Moving on, let's take you to India's southern state of Karnataka, where the 4-day-long Rathaotsav, a temple car festival, was observed, commemorating the 202nd death anniversary of the most revered saint Sharanbasaveshwara. The festival drew thousands of people cutting across communal lines. Take a look.
The state of Karnataka in the southern part of India has long been a melting pot of culture for centuries, with influences from ancient kingdoms, which is seemingly evident in its age-old traditional temples, sculptures and value system. The state is also known for its cultural diversity and an intermingling societal atmosphere that promotes love and brotherhood in society. In this spirit, the Sharanbasaveshwara Jatra Mahotsav, an annual car festival, was held by thousands of devotees from across Karnataka who commemorated the 202nd death anniversary of the 18th century saint and social reformer Sharanbasaveshwara. People, irrespective of religion and region, gathered on the occasion to show their faith in the revered saint.
यात्रा के मौके पर हज़रत ख्वाजा नवाज़ दरगाह से फूल लाए जाते हैं और उसी से यहाँ की रथकशी होती है, रथ निकाला जाता है। इनके चाहने वाले, मानने वाले हिंदुस्तान भर में मुख्तलिफ़ रियासतों से यहाँ आते हैं और आज के इस रथ यात्रा में हम देखते हैं कि बिला लिहाज मज़हब व मिलत मुख्तलिफ़ मज़हब के लोग, इनको चाहने वाले यहाँ इकट्ठा हैं।
Thousands of devotees pulled the decorated chariots around the main temple as part of the annual festive ritual, while many observed fast and offered prayers the entire day. Moreover, the fortnight-long festival followed an array of recreational programs like hoisting of flags, religious processions and feasts, and also witnessed devotees rejoicing and dancing to the beats of traditional drums. People also converged at the temple complex to witness the ascension of the holy order of the 8th Peethadipati of Sharanbasaveshwara Samsthan, Dr. Sharanbasavappa.
This Mahotsav is celebrated in grand manner. There is no discrimination between religious. Many types of people come and participate in this Jatra Mahotsav and they take blessings from Sri Sharanbasaveshwar.
The annual festival provides a time for people to enjoy various cultural programs and activities. Moreover, it is also a moment for people to come together and celebrate the life and teachings of Sharanbasaveshwara.